The all share index has continued to shoot up. Every day we see a new all-time high, and this is exciting for the market, and it is interesting to be alive in such a time like this. So in case you're just watching me for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified of my posts and reaching videos like this. So we are going to be looking at the all share index today, and as you can see from the screen, the all share index actually started from this area here, which was 109, and which was 109, and ever since then we've been seeing a higher highs and a lower highs, and that has continued to be the game. So for a time we actually naturally supposed to move sideways around this area, but because of some big companies start to push up, if we have like 3 companies push up, the all share index is going to do well. And so far the market has been performing greatly, and all portfolio, if you're in the right stock, they've been shooting high. And the point is, are we going to eat the 1 trillion economy? Yes, of course, we are going to eat the 1 trillion economy. The question you should ask is, how much are you going to take out of this economy? If we are running at a 1 trillion, how much do you want to take? Is it 1%? Is it 10%? You can decide on your own and have a target of what you are going to do. And guys, this thing is not a rocket science, guys. It's not a rocket science. Yesterday I was pondering about a strong thought, and I just decided, oh, okay, you're wondering what I'm pondering about. I was just thinking that I have a strategy that can guarantee you 50, 100%. So when I look at it, that should I drop this one in the stock for Tornado, or I should just leave this one and create a separate video and just give out for a fee. I said I was just pondering, but today I decided that I am going to give the stock for Tornado's members that strategy, but it will be in the bonus section. So for those who are taking advantage of this pre-order now, it's going to be amazing. In fact, once you start to watch the videos and you practice it, and we have a group that we're going to meet for question and answer, because the goal is for you to know it. If you know it, you will know that what you pay now, you just give Investor Joe, say, Baba, just take this one and go relax. You understand? Because by the time you see, this course is different from every other course. Guys, there are courses that they will teach you goal setting, and you pay more than this. They'll teach after you set the goal. Now you and your goal they look. Oh, you understand? That is that. But this one is, as they play, they show. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You are making the money like that. You are making it. So it's not money that you invest and it will not give you instant return. Not instant, so to speak, but what I'm saying is a skill that you like hold on to and you can use to build wealth. So let me not talk much. So you can see how it started, and the question is, are we going to continue to see this trend? Don't forget, I did a video where I told you guys that looking at the all share index hitting 150 basis point. Unfortunately, that video is not showing because of network, so let's not waste time about that. So you can go and check on my YouTube. You can come here and check. You actually see that video, so you can watch it. So we are targeting all share index hitting 50. So if the all share index hit 50, that will mean that we are going to get some good money in the market. Good money, you understand? Good money. So, and for long I've been telling you that this thing will repeat itself, and guess what? We've almost gone beyond what we even measured that day. We've gone beyond it, and that's to tell you that a lot of money are coming into the market. Watch my next video that I will drop, that will give you analysis of foreign portfolio investment, those foreign and cash that came in, inflow and outflow, so that you can track the market, because the market is not all around candlestick fundamentals, buy and sell. That's why some companies might have bad fundamentals, and what they will make you money. They'll make you money, and some they will have good. In fact, the company that have made me good money, they don't have fundamentals. It's something that you cannot even tell people in the public that you want to buy it. They will say, are you okay? Are you not checking? You understand? The more you know, the more you know, the less you make money. You get the point? Because by the time you know too much, you will find faults in any company. You say, have you checked the ratio? Have you checked the depth to while you are checking, people are making money. So that is what it is. So what you are learning about fundamental and order is just to back your decision and your insight. You understand? And your insight. Don't allow this knowledge to stop you from, because there are some people, they are too knowledgeable, they know too much. Then I ask you, show me your portfolio. That is the proof that you know so much. You understand the market, how it's doing. Show me your portfolio. Show me your portfolio. So I've been in the market and I've understand some certain systems. You understand? That's why I'm been able, with this knowledge, I'm been able to make 100% in a quarter. I did it first quarter, second quarter, and now we are in the third leg. And I've already made my strategy how to achieve it. It's not rocket science. I would the same system I've been able to get. I'll drop it in the course. I'll drop it in the course. How I think. In fact, there is a video I'll title it "How to Do Research." That is to say, if I say I want to sit down here and say today, oh, I have 100 million. How am I going to turn this 100 million to 200 million in a year? Sometimes I like giving myself quarterly but even though I do 50% quarter, I'm okay. Even though I make 25% a quarter, I'm fine. I'll know that I'm still in track. You understand? I'm still on track rather. So what am I trying to say? When I open my system, the first thing I do, second step I do when I'm searching winners, I'm going to do that same video also and show you what I check, some things that are core, some things that are core that people don't look at, some things that are not core, and some things that everybody are looking at, how to interpret it. Everybody can look at two like this, and some people will say it's good, some will say it's not good. Why some people will be looking for confirmation? They go to group and ask, is this stock good? They go to another group, is this stock good? Is this stock good? Then this group say yes, this group say yes, the other group say no. They are now confused. They say okay, I will buy. They now buy, the thing now start going down. They are now angry. They now go to the group and say, I don't understand why this stock is going down. Go to another. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. It's not like that. One way to have success is to what? Is to work on your emotion, which I'll give all those steps in my course. And I also have a video, just in case you are in a loss, how to take care of your mental health and how to take care of your state. Because some people, once they look at their portfolio, that they are down 10,000 or they are down 100,000, they start to rant. In fact, they can go, if they can go to the market and say, just give me the money the way I put it. I don't want to do again. They will do. But my question is, how will you become that millionaire? How will you become that billionaire? You hear people that they are billionaire. Do you know how much they've lost? Losing is part of winning. And the beautiful thing about the market is you don't lose until you sell. And you don't make profit until you sell. So I can be looking at my profit sometimes 100%, 200%. For example, like my Dangote sugar now, I'm looking at it. I'm not bothered. I kid you not, if Dangote sugar return back to 30, I won't regret. I won't tell you, the thing pay me, I won't. So that's the level I want every of the course member, that everybody that will take that course, by the time you finish your last video, that's the level you should come to. And that is why I created that group, so that I can bring everybody to that level. We can enter the market with a mature mind and actually make money. So let's look at the MPC. The MPC actually had their meeting this week, and you can see the committee decided to actually hold on everything. In fact, I was just wondering, why did they hold the meeting? Of course, they will collect some arrangement and all that, but the meeting is unnecessary since you are not changing anything, and they are sure that they are not changing anything. So I see a country where we'll be looking at the CBN governor as Powell, that anytime he wants to come and do a meeting, everybody will be on their toes and say, we don't know what is coming. We are coming to that point. So they left the monetary policy rate, that is the MPR, at 27.50. I also teach about economics also. You understand inflation, stagflation, and deflation. So you need to understand all these economic terms and how to interpret it in the market. So the market is up and down. So you need to understand what is pushing it and what is also not pushing it. So all the catalysts behind, because there's a whole lot of things that comes to the market. You understand? So it's just like a doctor. When you tell a doctor that my neck is paining, so he has stored enough knowledge in his head that can tell him, if it is head, this is what you do. If you are now giving him information that he has not seen before, and that's why he now say he want to refer you to some other places that he felt they are specialists that actually understand what he's doing. So that's how the market works. So if you know what I know and you've done all these things in my courses and you're done, you find out that you can just come to the market. You won't even look any chart. You won't look at, you just look at the market. You just say, see, 50%. You just enter. I'm telling you, you just enter. While others are busy saying, have you checked their full year? Have you checked their half year? Have you checked their this thing? Have you checked their this thing? You've entered already. By the time they will come back, you're already off 50%. You'll be the one selling to them. Then they will be coming. They want to buy value. So you sell value to them and keep your money. Then you find another one again. Then they will look at it. When it is coming down, they will now tell you that it is for a long term to console themselves. So let's look at the inflation. The inflation is kind of down. Currently 22.22%. So if you are making 30%, that's why in my other smaller groups, that's the target I drop. So if you're making 30%, you are beating the inflation. That is the interesting thing. And once you can beat inflation, you are good to go. You are good to go. So I'll give you an assignment. Whatever your capital is, take your pen and biro, take your calculator. Some of you might not do this, but that is fine. After all, I've done my own. So take it and take the money you put in the capital market. Now, there are two strategies to invest in. One, I put only the one that I have. I'm not putting again. That is one part. That's one part. Another part is I put this money every month. I'll be putting another money. So different strategy in terms of how you want to be funding your account. So let's assume you just put a lump sum 250,000. So go to your calculator, carry your pen and paper, and put first month 30%. Add 30% to it. And with that 30%, add everything together as capital in the second month and do plus another 30% again and see what it's going to give you. So in case you are thinking that you are being over ambitious, no wahala. Take that same figure again and use 10%. So 10% this month. In fact, somebody joined my group. His goal is actually 20%. You understand? So he joined the group and he told me that he has hit his 20%. I said, okay, calm down. This one will give you 50. This one will give you 50. Calm down. You understand? I understand 20% is your rule. But if you have 50%, you've covered for 2 months. You understand? You cover for 2 months. In fact, I like his principle. You understand? I like his system. Because my premium group is a general group where everybody has his own system. So the one that is working for you, you share and we learn. So I'm not bringing So you can also have a stock which if you make profit from this other one that is fast moving, you dump it there. So that one will serve as your what? As your real estate. So you can hold that one 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and you sell. Don't come and boast that you bought a share 10 years ago, 7 years ago. Nobody will listen to you. Nobody will listen to you. What you want to listen to is you'll be able to grow money. You grow money. That's what we want to hear. Say your 1 million naira is now 10 million. That's what we want to hear. So we don't want to hear this. So if 10% do 20%. So if you do all this percentage, you can now choose the one that you want to do. And when you choose the one you want to do, you now dedicate maybe 1 hour or 2 hours a day. You understand? That you'll be using to take in some knowledge. For example, you watch my videos and you read some messages from the chat. Of course, you see the ones that you just read and you learn and you are fine. And you are good to go. So that's how it works. And one thing I want to share, there's a way to narrow down. Well, I don't know if I should share this. See, it's not in joining so many groups. That's not how it is. You just look for a person that you understand his pattern. It might not be me. We are many on YouTube, and to be sincere with you, we have more than 100,000 active traders. You can see my followership now. Even though some people watch, but though they are not subscribing, maybe they are ashamed or they don't want me to know that they subscribe. You get the point. So they subscribe. Sorry, they did not subscribe, but they always watch. You understand? They always watch. So you just choose the person that aligns with. I like the way this guy is trading. I like his analysis. I like his. So that's how I do. So once you like that person, all you need to do. I have how many videos on my channel? How many videos? It's to find time. That's why I'm always amazed when I meet some people. They said I've watched almost. What I'm waiting to hear is I've watched all. And I think one of us in the premium have done that. So you start from here. This is 5 months ago, and you watch all the videos. You watch all the videos. So when you want to now crown it up, you now get my stock for Tornado. I'm even begging those that are buying that course, say, please, 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 it's help I'm doing. Don't finish the course now. You come and be flying charts. You come and be buy this, make this. Please, codedly, just be making your money and be. Don't come and fight me, oh. Don't come and fight me. So as you make it, as you buy your trade, you make your money. If you want to join the premium go so that you can be chatting, you join. If you don't want to join, you just do your day and be making your money. After all, that is the reason why you are buying the course. You don't buy the course to come and fight with me. So after all, I know what you know. So no. That's not why that's the reason why you're buying the course. Oga, please don't buy. Don't buy. So I want people that want to learn it, make money, and share with me screenshots. I followed that strategy in so video. This was what I got. Or based on that stuff, I research. This is my research. Oh, please let me to confirm. Am I in order? And I look at it, say, wow, you are right. Oh, me, I didn't even see it because we have almost 200 stocks. It's just some few I track. In each sector, I just pick 2. If you check my portfolio, you will not see Presco, you will not see Okumu. Of course, I traded those things where they were still 200, where they were still 200. Then they were slow, no volume. So I still make some money there, but currently now I won't buy Presco. I won't touch Okumu. I did a video. I said Presco will hit 1,000, and I said Presco hit 1,000. I said Okumu will follow and hit 1,000. I did same with Nako. I said you should get Nako at 86. At 80, I say Nako will cross 100. So there are some stock I will give you that I will not partake in it, but that doesn't mean they are not good. It's just that I can't buy everything. And while you are looking for that little jump, me, I'm looking at that 50%, that 100%. So that is how it works. There are stocks we bought that were 20% up now. In fact, there are so many stocks, and all of them are just flying. All of them are just flying. The ones that are not flying, we are accumulating. Because that is how it works. So if I tell people that in this market I've not lost money, some people tell me that how do you do it? And that is what I want to teach my premium member tomorrow being Sunday, how to manage a losing position. A lot of people don't know. They don't know. So they allow their emotion to come against them. And you find out that they are consistently losing. Consistently. To lose as a pattern, you always buy stock that is about to go down. You know yourself. You will not buy when it is low. It's when it is top. You now ask question. You are looking for confirmation bias. You say, is it good? Is Presco good? Presco is high. You say, but I'm buying for dividends now. You're buying for dividends. Say, I'm buying for dividends. You say, the thing will still come down. I'm ready to hold long time. Okay. You bought. Now, Presco is 1.3. You say, will Presco go up again? Presco is not dry bone. Will it go up again? He said, Presco now deep to 1,000. He said, let me just set this Presco thing, Joe. But you say it's long time. I'm not holding for a long time again. So if you behave like that before, it's emotion. It's emotion that is working in. So I just want to share with you so that you understand what is going on. So inflation is coming down, and also Central Bank of Nigeria also maintain the monetary policy rate to be 27.50%, which is also a good one. So I'm expecting by next month, I'm expecting the MPR to drop, even though it is by 50 basis points, so that we can have like 27% or 26%. But along the line, I think before this administration will leave, we might just see the rate coming down to 20, which will also be good for the business space, and also it will be good for the market. So going forward, the bull run is going to be massive. And in case you are still watching and you've not actually joined the train, I don't want you to come last. You know, there are some people, they always come when the things are almost over. You understand? That's how they do. So don't do it. If you are listening to me, you've been procrastinating. You are waiting when I will have. There's a cash I'm expecting. This, that. Oga, start before you are ready. That is the beautiful thing, and that principle has helped me a lot. Start before you are ready. So if you say you are ready, it is already too late. Anytime you are ready, it's already too late. So the best thing is to start before you are ready. And one way to start is to also get your brokerage account ready. And one of the accounts I use is Lead Capital. So Lead Trader app, it has the app and also a web base. It's an interesting platform. That's where I buy my stocks. So I'll also do a video showing you how to buy and sell in a short video so that you also can do that yourself. And in case you have an account, don't forget to come and watch. It's a 20-minute video where I share how to actually use the stock. So don't just watch it like a movie. When you get to a part that you need to practice, pause. And this is it here, beginner's guide to trading the Nigerian stock market. So when it gets to that point, you want to pause and also practice it, so that not that on the day that you're going to execute, you will not be confused. So that is what I want to share with you. And sadly, somebody dropped a comment that I should do a video on Orlando. So I didn't have much time, but currently Orlando has taken off. But maybe I'll do another video to see if we get if we get any pullback, and if we are going to go in again. I'll share with you guys. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified when my post enriching videos like this. Until I come your way again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands to head salute. See you in the next one.